We're here in near Baldwin City, Kansas. It's about 14 degrees outside, and I wanted to show you the many uses of baking soda or bicarbonate soda. Bicarbonate soda has hundreds of good uses, and one use you probably didn't know about was it's good for goats. Now these goats will they'll take this is bicarbonate soda right here, and these goats will eat this bicarbonate soda when they need to eat it. They won't eat it unless they need to. And what it does with the goats is it reduces bloat, and it just generally makes them healthy, because of the fact that one great thing about bicarbonate soda is that it has a very high pH, which means the potential of hydrogen. So it'll alkalize, in humans, it'll alkalize your body, and it's just good for all kinds of different things. And one thing you probably didn't know about, and that is that it's good for goats. And these goats, this bicarbonate soda will go in here, and you can see right there is kind of some residue of it. And when they need it, they'll come in here, and this will be right down here. They'll come in here and they'll look at that, right? This one here might want to even look at it right now. But it's a little known fact you didn't know. I'm out here in, like I say, in Kansas, where they raise goats. We got all these goats here. You can see them over here. They got a big goat over there as well. And so there you have it. One thing you never knew about bicarbonate soda and goats.